Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unboxing to do. We're going to check out what's in the box and talk about it a little bit. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we have a box from Olsa Tools. We're going to pop it open, take a look at it. Quick introduction video. This is just going to be the video where we talk about it, we look at it. This is not going to be the demonstration video or in use. I guess some people do not read video names and stuff like that. I've had people lately complaining that, you know, it wasn't a demonstration video. Well, it wasn't a demonstration or in-use video because it didn't say it was. So I guess some people just don't read video names or descriptions for whatever reason, which is probably why most people on YouTube don't even bother to put a description, because people don't read them. But just so you guys know, so I give you guys heads up and a warning at the beginning of the video, this is not a demonstration video. Demonstration video will be later on when I've had time to use them, so I can give you guys accurate information on whether they're worth it, if I like them or not. This is just going to be, we're going to open it up, we're going to talk about it, take the plastic off, we're going to look at them. So these are the SAE 5-piece set of slim profile open-end wrenches. Super thin, low profile design, 6-140 chrome vanadium steel, packaged in EVA foam with size labels. 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8 and 3/4, and 13/16 and 7/8. So it's kind of nice to see 13/16 and 7/8. So the part number on these guys is, oh, it's on the back. Part number is 1254. Move the box out the way. They put little silica packets inside the packaging so that there's no moisture in here. Which is nice. It's nice to see. Nice little touch. And do not eat these silica packets. Alright, so 1/4 inch, 5/16. The foam is labeled like the box says, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8. We're going to take our little caliper here. Move the light over so it's easier to see. We're going to pull these out and measure them. So 1/4 inch and 5/16. We're going to measure the thickness on them. I don't know why it's doing that. There. So the 1/4 and 5/16 wrench is 1.97 millimeters thick, which is very, very small. 7/16 and 3/8. The handle is 2.25 millimeters thick. The 9/16 and 1/2 inch is 3.25 millimeters. The 3/4 and 5/8 is 4.26 millimeters thick. And the 13/16 and 7/8 is 5.33 millimeters thick. So they are pretty thin. Let's see the 7/8 again. We're gonna measure the inside. Oops. I'm gonna switch this. Switch it to inches. .86. Fraction. Switch it to a fraction. 7/8. It does measure to 7/8. So the outside is a little bit bigger. Nope. All measures the 7/8 on that side. 13/16. Let's see. 13/16. Just making sure that they measure correctly. Let's see. This one is 3/4. It's very tight tolerances on the, especially on the 3/4. It's 47/64. Kind of easy movement. You gotta pull it a little tight and on the caliper, and it will read 3/4. So these are pretty tight tolerances. 5/8. 5/8 is a little loose. On tolerance. Nine 9/16 and 1/2 inch. This one reads loosely without me putting pressure on it. Reads loosely 9/16. That one's a little loose. This guy reads loosely on 1/2 inch. 7/16 and 3/8. So it's a little loose on the 7/16. Nope, it's actually tight, it just didn't have it on the inside of the jaws. 7/16. I had it way down here. As an example, it's supposed to be up here on the tips. .3/8, nice and tight. So the section, the ones that I measured that I said were loose, probably was my bad. not using the very tip of the caliper. This one is the 5/16 and 1/4 inch. 5/16, I'm holding pressure. As you can see, I'm holding pressure. So the 5/16 is a nice tight tolerance fit, as well as the 1/4 inch is nice tight tolerant fit. So these are good for really hard to reach tight spaces. Definitely will be using these in the future on the channel. Wanted to just show you guys. I believe Bruce also did a video on these. I will leave a card up here for a couple channels that have used these in the future, or not in the future, but have used these already. So I can give you guys a little entertainment. I'll send you over to their channel so you guys can see them in use at the moment. When I get around to doing videos on these, I will definitely do that. But just to give you guys some information, if you guys are coming to the channel looking at seeing these in demonstrations, this is not a demonstration video or in-use video, but I will provide channels that do have videos on those already. That way you guys get your information answered, whether you're here for a demonstration or not. Least I could do is send you to another channel. That way you get your answers and your questions answered and everything else. But I do appreciate you guys checking out the channel. We just took a little measurements, looked at them real quick. The chrome, you can definitely see the camera in the chrome. It's quite shiny. My fingerprints all over it. I'm sure it will clean up nice. I don't necessarily care about the little scuff marks and the scratches because they're going to get used anyways. But you can see the, looks like rashing on the chrome right here. The microscopic scratches all over it. Right there, you can see it right there. Which is not a big deal. They're going to have grease and oil all over them anyways. They're going to be cleaned constantly, so it's not really a big deal. The finish on most of them are extremely nice. It doesn't have to be perfect. They're going to get used. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. You guys have any comments, criticisms, or anything like that, leave it down below. You guys have any questions, leave them down below as well. I'll do my best to answer the questions. The foam case is pretty nice. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I do have, at the top of the description below, I do have an Olsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at olsatools.com. Maybe you guys are interested in this set, or maybe you're interested in the metric set, which I also do have the metric set of these slim wrenches. If you guys want to see that, I'll put a card up here for the other video, like this one that I did on the slim wrenches. We measured them as well. You use the link, I do appreciate it if you do use the link. If you don't, it's no big deal. It does kick me back 10% off when you do use the link, so it does help me buy tools for the channel to show you guys, use and abuse and stuff like that. That's it for today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!